Hey everyone, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Iran's supreme leader for 37 years, is gone. Public reports say he was killed yesterday in the US-Israeli strikes on his office in Tehran. This is massive.
Hazrat Imam Khomeini.
Iranian state media just confirmed it. He drank the sweet drought of martyrdom. They declared 40 days of mourning. Man, the whole region is holding its breath right now. Yesterday morning, February 28th, explosions hit his compound. Trump posted right away. Let me show you what he said. Trump called him one of the most evil people in history and said this is justice for so many. Straight from his post today. Look at these crowds in Tehran right now. Thousands pouring into Imam Khomeini Square, chanting, mourning. You can feel the emotion. Metro stations packed with people chanting his name. Iran is in shock, but they're already vowing revenge. Even in Kashmir, people are out mourning him. This death hit way beyond Iran's borders. And here's where it gets intense. Iran didn't just mourn, they started aggressive attacks today, March 1st. First reports came from Dubai, explosions, smoke over the city. Iran says they hit back with everything they have. Dubai International Airport hit hard, passengers running through smoke. Public videos show the chaos unfolding live. Burj Al Arab caught fire from debris. Jumeirah also reporting damage. This is Iran's retaliation hitting luxury icons. They're using Shahed drones, those cheap low-flying ones that are super hard to detect. Iran has thousands, can swarm defenses for hours. Next, Qatar. Udeid Airbase, biggest US base in the region, lit up. Iran says it's payback for hosting American forces. People in Doha posting videos of smoke rising. You can hear the sirens. Aggressive, no question. Bahrain got hit too, the US 5th Fleet headquarters. Shahed drones can fly 2,000 kilometers, carry warheads, and come in waves that overwhelm radars. Explosions near Bahrain International Airport and naval area. Iran calling these legitimate targets. Kuwait Jordan. More US-linked sites reporting impacts. Iran is striking across the Gulf, fast and hard. These Shaheds, low-cost, long-range, can be launched from trucks. Public experts say they're built to saturate defenses. Israel too, sirens, intercepts over Tel Aviv. But Iran says more waves are coming. Dubai hotels now locked down. Tourists posting they're stuck. This retaliation is affecting everyone. Jackson Hinkle just posted China demanding an immediate ceasefire. The world is watching this escalate fast. Back in Tehran, the streets are full of mourners, but also anger. Iran's leaders say no leniency. From yesterday's strike that took Khamenei to today's barrage across Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain, this is moving quick. Iran's interim council already forming. They call Khamenei's death a great crime and promise crushing response. Dubai airport concourse damaged, 4 injured. Videos show people running, real human impact hitting home. Trump again, saying heavy bombing will continue all week if needed. His words are everywhere today. Those Shahed drones keep coming up. Cheap, numerous, fly low and slow. They're changing how attacks work. UAE now reporting more sites hit. Abu Dhabi too. Iran says every base that hosted strikes is fair game. Bahrain's naval HQ took direct blows. You see the smoke in these public videos. This is aggressive. Qatar's big base. Iran claims they destroyed the radar system there. Explosions caught on phone videos. Public data shows Shaheds give Iran reach without risking pilots. Swarm tactic that's tough to stop completely. Tourists in Dubai posting they can't leave hotels. Fear is real on the ground. Hinkle highlighting China's warning, ceasefire now or risk bigger war. Iranian people processing the loss, but their military is already hitting back hard across the map. Yesterday, strikes kill Khamenei. Today, Iran launches dozens of missiles and Shahed drones. It's that fast. Jumeirah on fire from intercepted debris. Luxury spot turned scene of retaliation. Enghelab Square packed. People saying his death won't break them. Emotional scenes everywhere. Trump saying this could lead to Iranians taking control. His posts are driving global talk. Shaheds, Iran makes them cheap, launches hundreds. Public analysts say they're perfect for overwhelming high-tech defenses. Kuwait's Ali Al Salem base hit. More Gulf states feeling the ripple. Even Jordan reporting activity near their US-linked sites. Iran not holding back. Hinkle's latest. Metro full of chance. The resolve is visible in these videos. Dubai airport still chaotic. Passengers stuck, flights canceled. This retaliation is real and immediate. Dubai, Doha, Bahrain, Kuwait, Israel. Multiple fronts in one day. Public reports say more possible. Mourning mixed with determination. Iran says the fight continues. Trump calling it major combat ops. The words from leaders are shaping what happens next. World powers like China urging talks. Everyone knows this could spread. From one leader's death yesterday to aggressive strikes today, how far will this go? Public updates are coming hourly. That's the public picture right now. Shocking loss, fierce response. Stay safe out there and drop what you think below. We'll update as facts come in.